Well, this is quite a big development, the political drift in the Middle East. Saudi Arabia, Egypt and Bahrain and the UAE have cut diplomatic ties with Qatar. They have also cut any transport ties with this country. They've accused Qatar of backing terrorism, and because of these rise in tensions in the Middle East, we've seen crude futures gaining. In New York here, we can see crude futures up about 1.6%. Now, how is India going to be impacted by this? India is the fourth largest LNG importer as of 2015. We do rely a lot on LNG imports. Now, when it comes to LNG imports from Qatar, India's Petronet LNG has an agreement with RasGas for about 8.5 million tons per annum. Now, how it works for LNG is that these are usually long-term contracts entered between two parties. So, any change in prices or supply is largely unlikely. But if there is any restriction on the movement of shipments in the Strait of Hormuz, that could impact the supply of LNG. We will get in touch with LNG Petronet. That is one company that is going to be impacted by this. If anything does happen, at this point in time, that stock is down 1.5% near the lows of the day, on perhaps some speculation on what will happen, on what if there is any supply interruption that happens. But when you look at the other oil and gas players at this point in time, you'll see that most of them seem to be in the green. IOC and Gujarat National Gas are trading with reasonable gains, but Petronet is down, and some of the even the oil marketing companies are trading higher. As for the markets, the Nifty and the Sensex have made new record highs today. The action is a little limited. We're trading in a range-bound fashion, but the Nifty is still holding on to gains of about 0.25%. The Sensex up just 0.1%, so it's looking a little slow, but it is still in the green.